Hello class, this is Luis Alvarado. This is my video for MiU, and this is my app, my goal list. I wish I could show you more of it. It's basically a goal application, a goal tracker. It helps you keep track of your goals and hopefully to meet um, self-set deadlines. The application itself, I wish I could show you much more of it. It's uh, it's basically what I came into my BFW class, though at the end of it I had to get my jQuery working properly on it. It was mostly HTML based, so didn't have too much JavaScript going on at the beginning until at the end of the BFW class. So for this class though, it is much better put together, and it has all the proper how should I put it, I put in all the proper research this time around. This is actually not my first time at MiU. So for this app, I'm starting it out with jQuery instead of waiting until week 2 or 3 to get it working with jQuery. I like to get the application itself working. Um, though while I decided to use this text-based field to get the call to action, I'll probably be changing this to a rotating image of some sort, either fades and slides in, and it keeps a very nice entry point for the user to dig right in and look at the instructions. Hopefully, I don't want to take too much real estate space. I just want them to dive into the app. No goals are saved on the app, so they want to add goals, go right into it. So um, I like to maybe just keep it as these two buttons right here instead of flooding the interface with buttons. But essentially, the user manage goals. They add a goal, edit goal, they let it go. They can delete all goals, and of course, this is for testing purposes at sample data. And eventually, they can search goals, which the search one will be right here. I have the code ready, just though my HTML with jQuery needs to be set up properly to work here. Um, Other than that, I decided to go. Right now, it still has this default jQuery look, but there's a theme that I have in the works. It's a little buggy at the time, and that's why it's not in the GitHub right now. Though it is being halfway tested, I gotta go through the documentation. But it's sort of a modern UI type of look that I'm trying to go through it. Hopefully, it fits perfectly. Other than that, the app works in browsers with no issue as well, which is very neat. About jQuery, it just scales directly. You know. Let's see. Other than that, it's purely just jQuery. My code has moved on from BFW, and I'm basically building pages to take over the different pages from compared to my structured BFW files. So instead of having a separate page or separate HTML file for each document, it's just one mass HTML page that loads pretty quickly. Hopefully you guys like what you see. Let me know if you guys have any opinions for me. I'll be listening and taking them into consideration. Thanks again.